Yeah. So what's our mission? Our mission is to get Uncle Dan snoring on video. Right?
Yeah, but he gotta keep quiet.
Yeah. Here we go. Up the stairs. There he is. Snoring. Got him. Go get him, Ava. Go get him. Ava said you were snoring. I got you on video.
Hey.
Get the big one there.
Where?
Right there.
This one? You can wash your parents' dishwasher on the rack. Oh, that's
This. Blue. It's mommy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, mommy.
Pretty little kitty.
Zoom and all that.
Yeah,
Love that food.
it's incredible.
I know those, Mom. I got one of those. Remember? It's like
Yeah, you chase it.
cute.
Sex. Boy,
Let's dive right
get my out of here.
Are you ready?
there. Oh my god.
Good. Which one is
What is it?
Yes.
Common sense, one back. It's an interesting day. Very controversial. But
Yeah, it's supposed to be.
Oh, so
I think it's really good. It's rated really
Grand Theft
good. I haven't
Auto.
read it yet.
Wait, my cousin has the same room.
Grand Theft Auto.
PlayStation.
Grand Theft Auto.
oh yeah, that one might be for these teenagers. I just
Is there
gave them all my old
scissors?
games.
So anything that's,
Well, just show
no,
away.
I'm not gonna wait, what was there? What are those rated?
Yeah.
What is E rated for?
Everyone.
Yeah, what is R? M. M.
There's a bird.
Yeah.
Where's my MP3 player?
Uncle Dan was looking at us on that table still.
Yeah, these things are so easy. Nice, I can just
Whoa!
Whoa!
I wanted one of these.
Oh, wow.
A new table.
You can draw on it too.
You do a whole bunch of things on it. What was in that bag, Ewan?
Oh, we got some more for Dan, you guys.
I'll be right back.
Uh,
Oh, wow. Cool. Oh, that's much better. Chairs aren't broken. Legs are nice and sturdy. Even don't sit on them ever. Wait. You broke these are pretty strong.
Where's the zoom? Oh, I got it.
That's okay.
Yeah, I think that's how people in the city deal with their kids. They let them scream because they have to toughen them up for, like, you know, you can't be coddled and, yeah. It's harsh living, so you got to condition them early. Well, because there's not always going to be somebody around to, like, make you feel better just because you're not happy.
Yeah.
But I tell you, the trains have improved dramatically. I used to get harassed on the trains.
This is awesome. Driving over the road.
Yeah.
So what bridge is that? The Manhattan?
That's the Manhattan Bridge.
And that one down there is Williamsburg, right? No.
not
Williamsburg
sure.
is further
Down
north.
that
It's
way.
a third one up there.
Well, then that's like a couple. Like a bunch of like people in front of us kept staring at them and like, because the baby's just like crying. Well, then they left shortly after we did, and they were right behind us, and the whole time.
531 Ridgewood Avenue. Hello. I can't figure this out. There you go. Love the hat.
There's so much going
Yeah.
All in place.
on. One ear out the other.
That's what you got, my man.
Beautiful. How do you turn this thing on?
No, just press
Oh,
the menu.
I see it.
in
I
the
see it.
middle.
Okay, everybody look here.
And do ours too.
Okay, everybody see G. Wait a minute, this thing is hanging off. This is like.
It's not very picturesque. No, because everything else is. You know?
Yes, I know.
Move the bagel.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Okay, now do a couple more.
Right out, right.
Born to Rise. Oh my God.
I want to see yours.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, you can try mine on. That's a nigga
Cool.
Oh man. Don't even ask. Don't even say that. He's awful. He's awful.
They never heard that word. They don't say that.
No, we
But they do.
We're going to turn the light on. Turn the light on.
No, it's too bright. Like it's too that window.
This
I
is
can't
too
even
bright.
see Derek and Hannah.
Okay.
Let me come this way. I don't know.
Come this way.
All right.
Something, there's a glare.
Yeah.
Let me see if it turns out in the camera, but I think it is.
James, can you look at this camera? Me? Yeah. How'd it come?
Oh no, it does work. Okay.
It does work.
Okay. I can't see you guys when I'm looking.
Okay.
All right, I'll say. Okay, so you want me to say? Just be ready.
Yeah. Okay, thanks.
Like up to here.
I didn't notice that.
What does he do?
He works for the state of New York. He's like a state bureaucrat,
Like a finance something.
finance guy.
Okay. What does Charlotte do?
Teaches
She teaches piano.